Oh, I love trash.
Dumpster Cats. We are at our blessing box, our largest one. And it's sad to see it this way at the first of the month. I really wish I would have gotten more food as far as people food to put in here. But we will put dog food in here and pet milk in here. And I'll just leave that there. There we go. We'll put what we got in here, which ain't a lot as far as, you know. This way first. I mean, I know it ain't a lot as far as food, but we'll start with some of the spices. Can I lodge something up in there? No. Where is my little hoodookie thing I normally use? I don't have it on me. Come on. No, you're not going to work today for me? There we go. There we go. Now it's going to work. Alright. Well, we got some seasoning and the rest of the salad dressing from a while ago. We'll put in here what we got, and I mean, we do got some snacks and stuff to put in here. It's just not a lot. 3, 6, 9. Move this. Hey, guess what? I didn't clean it after last night. So, we did laundry in that, so there is stuff on the floor. That's a bag of goodies, though. We got some laundry soap. I'm going to put some of the Margarita mix in there. I'm not going to use that. Somebody else can. I got, in fact, this whole bag here. Let me get rid of some of these. Is filled with the silverware from the Party City store. They were just going to throw it all away. Somebody can use this stuff. I mean, there's people that don't really have much. So when they have people come over, they need spoons and knives. And as soon as I get down to the forks, it'll be a lot nicer. But I don't want to put all the spoons in here. I plan on hitting, so this blessing box video, and then there will be one more. I'm hitting the Geneva box also. Papa Cat is at the house running the yard sale. Figured it was a really nice day for it to be. And this is right off the highway. The other one's not too far. They're our largest ones. It's the ones I planned on, you know, putting the pet foods in anyways, because it is our largest ones. I'm going to move it all down here. I'll probably move those peas down here too, so I can put the pet food up there. At least the pet milk, because it's lighter bags. Alright, let me get the rest of this. I'll put 2 in this one and 1 in the other one. Then that will be the last of all the craft. Which is nice to say, honestly. I had so much of it, I was putting it in there for like, it seemed like weeks. Weeks and weeks. They were constantly getting some every blessing box I had, I was throwing it in there. So it is really nice to see it almost completely gone. Alright, now this is the bar soap. How many in total do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And that puts 1, 2. I have my sunglasses on, it's hard to see. And I can't count. There's 5 there. There's 5 there. And there's my lighters. I kept a couple, take off my sunglasses for right now. I kept a couple of the Coast for Papa Cat, and I kept the Irish Spring for Papa Cat. This way he had some backup emergency. We normally only use the body wash on him because he's got really sensitive skin. So, and any moisturizing body wash is what we normally do. Alright, so the more. There's one for the other one. That one's for the other one. And when Papa Cat's not with me, it makes it easier for me to use the head cam, because then I know this way you guys can hear me. And I know a lot more people do like the head cam when I'm putting this stuff in the blessing box, because then you guys get a really good close-up view of what I'm doing. Alright, so those 2 will come here. That's going to the other box. I just got to remember that you guys are up there so I don't smack you around. We got a couple things of peanut butter crackers, 1 thing of granolas, some Jolly Rancher hard candy. Alright, let's see. This is... Alright, that's not trash. That's not trash. This is trash, though. So, let's put the margarita mix up in there next. This way. It's out of the way. And it's virgin margarita mix. You have to add the alcohol. So I'm not providing alcohol, just the mix that you can provide the alcohol for. Non-alcoholic. I like that part. No high fructose corn syrup. Alright. This one comes down here. That goes out with me now to the next one. That's trash. I want to put that here. They have a garbage that I do use. Thing of Kleenex. What is it? 3 and 3? 3 and 3. Those hydration have to go back to the house. Those, I did keep the hydration, that's mine. I did keep the hydration mix because with my IBS, if I go into a severe attack, I need something that's going to help keep me hydrated and so that I do not get dehydrated again. That episode of dehydration this last time was terrible on me. And the fact that, you know, I don't like going to the doctors or the hospital and that, so I didn't want to. We'll do 2 for the other one, 1 for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. But I did keep those hydration ones, like I said, so that I can, I don't like keeping a lot of stuff unless we absolutely need it. Shampoo, body wash, dish soap, depending on the brand, laundry soap, depending on the brand, yes, because it helps. Anytime I get toilet paper, paper towels, stuff like that, yes, I keep that. Food, on the other hand, now I did open a bag of these Homestyle Select peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets. I got these from Dollar Tree. I am keeping these, and I'm going to put them in the car because they are good. And I was able, you know, I'm able to, they're not too hard pretzel-y, so I don't have to worry about the hard chunks. Alright, the rest of this stuff all goes to the other box. And that's mainly all our laundry soap, in that we did laundry yesterday, kittens. So, that's why that's all like that. Alright, 1 moon pot for the other one. 4. I mean, it's not a lot, but I am getting to put some food in here too, and some snacks. But it's going to be a lot of pet food this time. They are definitely getting a pet food score, but I haven't been able to bless anybody with the pet food. Oh my goodness. The one girl was so ecstatic to get the dog food. Her and her brother flew there, as you know, yesterday, and came and got it all up. All the big bags that they had wanted. And then, like I said, my daughter came and took the other bags of the and they were the smaller bags of the can't think of the name brand. Hill Science, that's what it was. So they came and took the Hill Science, which is going to save them for another couple months for laundry for pet food, which is amazing. You know, I help family and friends first, and then whatever's left, I donate to people in need, because I wish they had stuff like this when I was growing up. I mean, we weren't as fortunate to have boxes like this just laying around where people could donate stuff to you. You had to go in and ask the government for anything and everything. Will you please help my family? You know, and for a single mom like my mom, who was doing her best, busting her ass to provide for us, she did everything she could. And if there would have been something like this where she could have went and got us treats and that, and other food and pet food, we could have been able to keep the pets that we weren't able to keep after times got tough and we moved and we lost our pets because, you know, we couldn't keep them due to not being able to feed them. Well, I don't like that. I'd rather give them what they need so they can keep their animals. I don't want to see anybody have to give away their animals just because they don't have food. And obviously the stores would rather throw the crap away than donate it. Which is sad. Really, really sad. this stuff, the soap, just because the package was opened. That's why they got rid of it. Which, keep the package back up. And I know, this is a dumpster diver going on a rant about all the waste in America, which is actually, what I'm providing these people with. So I'm not ranting that I get all of it. But there wouldn't be so much hunger and that in the world for animals or people if the companies would donate the stuff instead of just throwing it away. It's a write-off to them. They get money either way. So what does it matter if they throw it away or if they donate it? And to them, it's easier to toss it in a dumpster. So, we save it and we donate it. And I know it helps a lot of families. And that's all that matters. Is somebody else is getting to use it. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let me take this one and these ones, and the rest will go up to the other one. Alright. Let's put those back there. This, and this. And the big one will go down there. Alright, let's get a nice look at it. Not too bad. Not too bad. I can hear everything just moving and settling. Alright. Lock them babies back up. And I'll take my boxes home with me. Alright. Set that down there. Thanks for watching, kittens. If you liked this, let me slowly turn not to give you a flash, blessing box video, let me know. Click that like button down below. And if you do happen to be new to the channel and you do like what you're seeing here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and help us towards our goal of 3K. Let's see how fast we can hit that. You kittens are amazing. I love each and every one of you. You keep me going. Thank you. I love that you like what you're seeing, and I love being able to do it. And each time you watch the videos, and each time you watch an ad for us, or if you happen to become a member, you are helping us be able to bless these people also. So thank you, kittens, each and every one of you who have helped me get the gas in the vehicle to go to the dumpsters, who has given me the courage and the strength that I have needed when I was down and out. Thank you, kittens. You guys are the reason I am able to do this. God is the reason I find the stuff and I get provided the stuff, but you guys are the strength and the backbone behind Mama Kitten, Mama Cat. You kittens are the reason that I love doing this. I may not get back to commenting each and every one of you, but the heart and the thumbs up comes from me. And you kittens mean the world to me. Thank you so very, very much. If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be able to do what we do. Thank you, kittens. Mama Cat loves each and every one of you, and I hope you're having a blessed morning, noon, night, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Whatever you or your pet is having, I hope you're having a blessed one. Mama Cat and Papa Cat will catch you at the next dumpster. Meow! Thank you for watching. If you liked our scores tonight, let us know. Hit that like button down below. If you're new and you like what you see, consider joining our litter and become a dumpster kitten. We love you, kittens. Have a great day.